We are showcasing our website or unfinished website or web app called GreenCub. Yung GreenCub is a web-based backyard gardening platform for local communities. So, as you can guess po sa may title niya, ang purpose ng GreenCub is to showcase or provide step-by-step guides or learning materials about backyard gardening or urban gardening. So, ito po yung registration page namin. So, let's try mag-register tayo ng name. So, for example, Simon Balcone. And email, try natin gamitin is simon12@yahoo.com. For password, Simon12 Simon12. Phone number, for example, ito. And then birth, kunyari, ito. So, register for the role of user. So, try natin iba yung password na nilagay. Pag nag-register, di siya gana kasi nakalagay password do not match. Di siya papasok sa dito sa database. Delete muna natin siya. So, try natin mag-register ulit. So, simon12gmail.com, password simon12 phone number, birthday. Kung nag-register, sabihin na niyang registration successful. Let's try natin i-log in. So, email natin simon12@gmail.com, password simon12. Try natin iba yung password, simon1. Hindi siya gana kasi iba nga yung password. So, try natin iba yung email. Hindi rin siya gana kasi hindi nare-recognize ng system na yung ganong type ng yung ganong name sa email or yung email or yung password. So you can see yung niregister nating email pumasok ito sa database. Ayan siya yun. Makita rin natin na yung password ay naka-hash, so wala tayong problem na or we won't have to worry na makita kung ano yung information natin or yung password natin, yung password ng account natin. So, let's try natin mag-log in sa system na. Log in. So, ito yung homepage ng system ng homepage ng GreenCub. As you can see, ito yung pinaka-homepage lang talaga siya. Makita natin yung grow your own food one step at a time. Join a community of backyard gardeners and learn how to grow fresh organic produce at home with easy tutorials and expert advice. Kapalala ko lang na yung system namin is unfinished pa. Sinishowcase lang namin yung pinaka-design ng system and kung ano yung possible na maging laman niya. So far, siguro asa 70 or 80% na siyang tapos. With a few minor tweaks na lang or few na i-add namin dun sa mismong system. So as you can see, meron ditong why urban gardening, improves physical health, boosts mental well-being, provides nutritious food, and encourages social interaction. So yung pinaka-basic lang sa homepage, urban gardening. Meron din button na learn more about urban gardening, which is non-existent pa yung yan. Pero kapag kinlik siya, mapupunta siya sa mag-expand lang yung text box, tapos makikita mo yung more information kung bakit na-improve yung physical health mo, kung bakit naubos yung mental well-being pag nag-urban gardening, pag nag-provide ng nutritious food, or etc. etc. Ganun din dito sa Learn More About Urban Gardening. Text box lang na naka-carousel siya pag pumasok dun sa dito sa button na to. So, here we have some featured gardening tutorials, which is yung step-by-step videos na hindi pa siya nakalagay dyan sa system, pero ganyan yung magiging itsura niya paglagay na kami ng video, or pag na-validate na namin kung anong type ng video yung papalok sa kanya. Dito, yung featured pa lang siya. Hindi pa yan yung lahat ng video na pwede nating mapanood dun sa system. Then, ito naman yung recommended plants for urban gardening, which is yung, hindi siya video, pero step-by-step tutorials siya kung paano itatanim yung ganong klaseng halaman dun ito sa backyard mo. Dito mo siya makikita sa may recommended plants for urban gardening. So, for example, see details, explore our plants. Yan. Yung details, di pa kasi namin natatapos, pero mag-open up siya. Tapos doon, masya-showcase na yung step-by-step guides ng plants na yun. So, di pa tayo dito sa tutorials. As I said earlier, this is just yung page nung video tutorials ng system namin. So, as you can see, basic information lang ulit. Then, dito na yung showcase yung video kung paano itanim yung plants na yun. So, if ever na ayaw mo ng video, meron naman kami yung step-by-step guides, which is yung text lang talaga. So, as you can see, ito yung mga videos ng kung paano tatanim yung certain type ng plant na yun, kung leafy ba siya, or root crops, kung basil ba siya na plant, kung pechay, lettuce, etc. And then, ito ulit, view tutorial, naka-showcase lang ulit yung tutorial na text na kapag kinlik mo yung tutorial na yan, papasok siya dun sa may step-by-step guide na text. Now, lipat naman tayo dun sa plants. Ito yung plants na page. So you can see, find plants available. Naka-categorize siya. For example, plant vegetables, root crops, leafy vegetables, and other production practices. So, pakbet vegetables is yun yung mga common na tinatanim lang sa bahay. So, root crops, yan yung mga mga plants na for example, potato or taro. Leafy vegetables naman, pechay, kangkong, mustard, etc. Other production practices, dito nakalagay, kunwari, yung hydroponics, kung paano mo siyang gagawin sa bahay. Which is, hindi naman yung pinaka-focus nung system namin, pero we thought to include that idea na para lang na kung gusto nung user na ibang klase ng pag-urban gardening yung gamitin niya, for example, hydroponics nga or vertical gardening, din siya papasok sa other production practices. Kapag kinlik yung view more, tsaka pa lang siya papasok dun sa mismong nakapaloob dun sa category na yun. For example, dito sa pakbet vegetables, papasok yung mga list ng pakbet vegetables, which is hindi pa to yung definite na list. Yan pa lang yung card namin dun sa may website, pero hindi pa siya yung definite na plants talaga. kakategorize pa talaga namin siya kung pakbet siya, root crops, leafy, or ito nga sa other production practices. Kung yung see details, so pasok siya dun sa may parang box na kung saan makita mo yung information about sa plants na yun. Ito. Kunyari, basil. Makita mo yung scientific name yan. Scientific name, sunlight requirement, watering, soil type, description, how to grow, uses. Ito naman, example ng pechay, ng eggplant, mustard, malunggay, lettuce. You get the idea naman. Now, if you're wondering, yung type ng information na makukuha namin dito is magagaling sa isang crop scientist na tiga CLSU. So, you won't have to worry if legit ba yung content namin. Validated talaga siya ng isang expert about dito sa may urban gardening. Now, yung about, which is just yung about sa amin, kung about sa team namin, about sa may Green Cab mismo. Welcome to Urban Gardening. Or Green Cab is a community-based gardening website dedicated to helping retirees, hobbies, and beginners transform their backyards into thriving green spaces. Our goal, to promote sustainable urban gardening right here in Cabanatuan City. Our mission, empower local communities by sharing easy, practical, and beginner-friendly gardening tutorials that promote health, sustainability, and joy. What we offer, ito, step-by-step gardening guides, plant care tips for local conditions, visual tutorials, images plus text, plant database with details and benefit, urban-friendly plant suggestions, sustainable eco-friendly gardening. And ito yung team namin. So, yan lang, naka-state lang dyan kung sino yung gumawa ng website talaga. Sa contact, ito lang yung kung paano mo kaming makakontact. You just input your first name, last name, email, and your message sa amin. So, if you have any suggestions, comments, pwede mo kaming makontak agad. Now, meron din kaming search bar in case you want to search yung plants. So, kunyari, pechay, search mo, lalabas naman siya. Pero sa ngayon, hindi pa kasi siya functioning since hindi pa namin siya nagagawa or natatapos. On another note, meron din kaming dashboard para sa may user settings. So, dito, i-edit mo lang yung first name, last name, email, etc. Pero kung gustong baguhin dun sa may sa account mo, for example, yung profile na papalitan mo, first name mo papalitan mo, email mo papalitan mo, yun lang. Di pa rin namin siya nako-connect, pero yun nga, meron din kaming favorites tabs dito. If you remember, merong mga heart dito na kapag hinart mo siya, papasok siya dito sa favorites and makikita mo na agad yung mga favorite mo na tutorials or step-by-step guides. Also, nakita rin po natin na fully responsive yung system. So, you won't have to worry if gusto mo sa mobile siya gamitin or yon.